On your own. Number 6, use structure. Miss Novak volunteers 15 hours at the soup kitchen this week. That is 5 times as many hours as Gina volunteered. How many hours does Gina volunteer at the soup kitchen? So we need to plot our information. So Mrs. Novak says 15 hours. And then so that is 15 times as many as Gina. So how many hours does Gina volunteer at the soup kitchen? So they want H to stand for the number of hours. So do we know our total? Yes, it's 15, right? Okay, what is our symbol? Times. So we're going to put times, the multiplication. All right. Then what else? What other number do we know? 5. Okay, remember guys, I'm right here, so this is where you're at with me, right? So I'm going to put 5 and then times H because we don't know how many hours Gina works. So then I'm going to do an inverse operation. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to put a division symbol here, and then my total now goes at the front. So now I'm going to do 15 divided by what? 5 equals H. And then what is 15 divided by 5? 3. And would that work over here? 5 times 3 equals 15? Okay. So how many hours does Gina volunteer at the soup kitchen? 3 hours. Model with mathematics. Write an equation to model and solve the problem. Use N for the unknown. Joshua makes these centerpieces. He makes 2 fewer centerpieces than Betty. How many centerpieces does Betty make? So, 2 fewer centerpieces than Betty. How many centerpieces does Betty make? So we can see that there's how many centerpieces? 4. And then Betty makes what? 2 more. So that gives us N because we don't know the unknown number, right? So what is 4 plus 2? 6. So 6 centerpieces. Okay, 5 students signed up to be cooks, but really what we should have started with, since we had fewer guys, we would have had N minus 2 equals 4. And then to get that N by itself, we would do the 4 plus 2 equals N, right? Okay. All right, 5 students signed up to be, because we have the word fewer. Fewer means subtraction, right? Okay. 5 students signed up to be cooks at the soup kitchen. 4 more students signed up to be servers than cooks. How many students signed up to be servers? So we have this. So more. So in our original one, we need to do what? Well, we would just do 5 plus 4 equals what? Equals N, and N equals what? 9. So 9 students. 4 times as many students signed up to be the cleaners as cooks. How many students signed up to be cleaners? So how many were cooks? Okay. No, up here in our original 5, right? So what are we going to do? So 5 times 4 equals N. So N equals 20. So 20 students.